Alright, good morning guys, good afternoon, whatever you are. So welcome to this React tutorial that I'm gonna be creating for you. So as you can see in our screen, let's try to create a little project, and this is going to be a t-shirt design application where we are going to make a simple application just like bonfire.com. Okay, so let's try to make a small project for our t-shirt design, and I call this one Tshirt-Memes-Design because it basically works like we put a text on top of the image, and then there's also a text below the image. So this is our display and this is the settings. And then how this works is that we can change the color of the t-shirt by just clicking each of these t-shirts. So for example, if you want to change this black color, we can just click this white, and then it will fire a function that will take in a URL from the internet, and it will change the color of the t-shirt. So if we click on this gray, it will change the blue and as well as the red. Okay, so and the second part is we can actually upload an image to the t-shirt, and then in this one we can write a text. So this is the upper text. So if we write, for example, let's make America, and then for the lower text we can say just great again. So there you go, it's automatically being updated on our display as we type in the text in our settings. So if we try to upload an image, we can just choose file, and then let's go ahead and upload this Trump image here. Okay, and then go ahead and press this upload button. Just wait, and there you go. Okay, our image has been uploaded. And how this works is that I use the Firebase storage to store the image as soon as we click the upload button, and then I created a function that will create a URL for this image into the Firebase storage, and then we also fetch that URL and then bring it in our display, and then there you go, it's showing here the image. Okay, so that is how I did with this image upload. I use the Firebase storage. Okay, so for the text size, I just use an input with a type of range. So if we try to adjust the text smaller, we can just drag this down. Okay, there you go, it's automatically being adjusted. If we want to adjust it bigger, we want bigger, so just adjust it like that. Okay, so for the text color, if we try to change that, we just click on this individual different colors. So if you wanted to make it blue, just click this, and there you go, the red, okay, black, and then white. Okay, so in this project I use material design, but in our tutorial that we are going to follow, we are going to use Bootstrap. Okay, because I think Bootstrap is a more popular framework to use, and then I decided that we don't need to put this upload button. Okay, so we can just click on this choose file, and when we click on an image, it automatically going to our Firebase storage and resend our URL to the source for this display. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to use also the Firebase. So we're gonna learn how to upload an image, how to create a Firebase account, how to create the storage and configuration for that, so that we can upload an image, and also the save work. Okay, we're gonna be working on this button so that when you are ready, or when you are decided that this kind of design is okay, you can save this work, and then you can go to your dashboard and your work has been saved into your dashboard. And also we're gonna be working with Firebase authentication. So we're gonna create a component for the sign up and login, so that only users that has been signed up and log into Firebase can use this application. So that is our little project, and I hope you are interested to learn with me, and see you guys in the next video, because we're gonna be starting to create a fresh installation of Firebase. So thank you very much, and see you guys in the next video.